You guys, the flowers started to bloom on the tree. I'm in the backyard. It's a whole nother day. It's been so cold, so the flowers were kind of dying. I had to take some of them inside. So we didn't even get to finish the yard work. So this is basically day 2. We're gonna set up the lawnmower. Like I said, I'm new to this whole gardening and yard stuff, but I really do want to get the hang of it. But I had to take a pause for a couple of days because of the weather. I'm trying to find some lighting because it was just so cold. If you're in Canada, you know the weather right now is just so annoying. We get like hot days and then it just gets so drastically cold. I just hope the plants are still all right. I'm gonna check on them, but right now if it's so loud because I think some people are like mowing their lawns and stuff, so I hope you guys can hear me. But that's why I wasn't up here. We're just going to hold on. I'm just gonna get away from the noise a bit. We're just going to finish mowing up the lawn and clearing out the front yard so that we can get to the back eventually, and we wanted to get to the plants and everything. Yeah, I'm just gonna see what the rest of the day brings, and even though it's cold, I was like, you know what, let me just get out here because the weather does not decide to change. So yeah, my mom should be at the front with the lawnmower. There's so much work back here to do, so we're gonna have to go do a shopping vlog where we go pick up some yard stuff because I even need some brooms for out here. Probably gonna need some more soil, some flower pots, just things like that. And then you also see me out here with like no gloves. I picked up some gloves, but I want to get some better ones. Hmm? Are they in the back? Are the brown bags? Come, let's go get the brown bags. Wait, can we? Mom? Okay, we're looking for grass bags because it looks like the lawnmower got full. My Jamaican mom expects me to find it without telling me exactly where it is. If I ask her again, she's going to test me. Oh! Thank God I found them. Oh. I thought she said they're on the white thing. What white thing? They were in the white thing. I thought they were like on a white table. Okay, we'll open it up here.
You just have to pull it.
Oh yeah, we totally forgot our gloves. So I totally forgot my gloves, guys. So I just picked up these and I'm here working without them. Silly me. Where are those ones? Where is she gone? What happened to her arm? Wait, Mama. Are you going to the water this? We're almost done the grass, guys. And we're just gonna clear up that area over there. Wait, it seems like grass is coming out, but it doesn't seem full. So I'm just gonna empty it because grass is coming out, but it is full. Whew, so much grass in here. And that's almost full. Thing is, you have to go gently or else it all gets stuck. Ooh, I almost fill up a whole grass bag. See? Almost full. Let's try to get this back. You guys, these are the flowers so far. What is this doing here? Does this have water in it? I thought they were going to be worse than this because of all the bad weather. Was this out like that, Mom? The yellow? Or did it bloom after?
Bloom after.
Oh. And this is the other one. It didn't bloom yet, but it will. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, you put the light in there, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because at night it would look nice.
Oh dear. Okay. We're also gonna go in here and just clean up what we can in here because I don't like that it's looking a bit messy. Okay, now we're just filling up the little holes. It's, what is it, grass seeds?
Mm-hmm.
I know it's sprouts. It looks like in school.
It's already outside dry.
It's a couple holes here. I can just put it here.
Water in my hand.
Trying to take out some of the junk out of here.
I need
Don't you waste it.
I know.
Where's this one?
Some of these branches are just annoying. Come here.
I do what to that? Why?
The grass is done for the most part, and we left seeds in the ground. It's supposed to rain, but if it doesn't rain, then I'll probably just water the grass. I gotta put all this stuff back. Over here, I got some of the bush done. It probably doesn't look like I did, but there was so much here. But throughout the week, I'm just gonna try my best to empty out some more. There was a lot of weeds sticking out here, so I got some of that out. But the kids are giving trouble. They're getting hungry, so we just have to head inside. There's a bunch more here that I have to get into. That is about it, guys. I'm so tired. Who would have thought mowing the lawn was so exhausting? It's exhausting. I filled up the whole grass bag. I'm proud of myself for learning these things, you know? I am going to head in the back, cut some cane and eat it. I had a cane there that I wanted to cut up from a long time ago, but because the weather was just so drastic. If you guys are enjoying this content, let me know in the comments and I will get more of that out to you. And if you guys know, I love Jamaica so much because of the outdoors, so I was like, I will just, you know, chill out and vibe out. Ooh, you should see the wind forming like these little tornadoes. I'll just vibe out here until I get back home, that's of course. Well, yeah, even though it's early, it's a long weekend. I think it's called Victoria Day. There's supposed to be fireworks and stuff later. But yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna I don't know, I want to make a smoothie. I'm trying to be more healthy and not like eat the wrong food these days. So I just want to make something that's not too what would I call it, unhealthy for me when I get inside. Do a little bit of cleaning up. I did some cleaning up this morning, but the kids probably made a mess again. I'm just gonna cut up some fruit and enjoy the rest of the evening. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.